Snoring, sound of nose. Snoring occurs when air flows through relaxed throat tissues, causing them to vibrate and produce sounds. This is the cause of the snoring. Other causes: obesity, nasal blockage, enlarged tonsils, alcohol or sedatives, sleep apnea. This is the main cause. Homeopathy treats the root causes of snoring, not just the symptoms. It works very nicely and gives a permanent relief. The top remedies are Lemna minor, nasal polyps, snoring, worse in damp weather. Opium 30, deep snoring with sleep apnea. This is the main cause. Nux vomica, snoring after alcohol or heavy meals. This is the symptom of nux vomica. Lachesis, snoring with loud gasping and disturbed sleep. Disturbed sleep also causes apnea. Snoring. Calibitome, thick post-nasal discharge, blockage nose, and it causes snoring. Say goodbye to sleepless nights and loud snoring naturally. Homeopathy can help you breathe and sleep better. Thank you. Long live homeopathy, long live Honeyman.